Why symptom logging matters in asthma apps.
Tracking symptoms in asthma management apps helps you spot patterns, respond early to flare-ups, and share accurate information with healthcare providers. Consistent logging offers a clearer picture of your condition and supports personalized treatment. Using these digital tools gives you greater control and helps prevent complications.
Setting up your asthma app for success.
Start by entering your profile details, such as age, triggers, and medication. Allow app notifications if you want reminder prompts. Explore the app's dashboard to locate the symptom logging section, often labeled Log Symptoms or Daily Diary. Familiarize yourself with available features like custom symptom entries and history views.
Efficiently logging your symptoms.
To log symptoms, select the date and time, then choose relevant symptoms like wheezing, coughing, or chest tightness. Add severity levels if possible, such as mild or severe. Note additional factors, such as exposure to triggers or missed medications. The more details you include, the better the app can help track your asthma control.
Tracking patterns and using insights.
Review your symptom history regularly using charts or summary views in the app. Look for trends, like worsening symptoms after certain activities or allergens. Many apps offer visual graphs that can reveal flare-up patterns, helping you make lifestyle adjustments or discuss strategies with your doctor.
Tips for consistent symptom tracking.
Log symptoms at the same time each day, such as morning or before bed, to ensure accuracy. Set reminders if the app offers them. Keep your entries honest, even when you feel well, to get a comprehensive overview. Consistent tracking empowers you and your healthcare team to make better decisions together.